Hello everyone and welcome back to another video where, hello, Sam here. This is a bit late. I'm just going to do a very quick, just for my own knowledge that I did it really. Have fun with this. Yes, just a quick flick through of my January drawing everything, something every day challenge. Yes, hello, this is Sam where I know what words are. So I said I'm going to draw every day, and I also said that some days, as long as the pencil or whatever went on the paper, it counts, okay? A stick figure counts, just bear that in mind. Oh dear. So I'm just going to do a quick, oh dear, that was loud, quick flick through so I know that I did it, basically. You may come along with me if you so wish. But yeah, right, so day one of creature annui. It just sounds weird. Was piranha dog, so I tried, and then I drew dogs. The next day was the bat god, and yeah. Oh, it's not even in shot. There we go. It's a bat, and he thinks he's Batman, so I figured that would be a bat god, right? Wouldn't Batman be bat god to the bats? I drew that. As you can tell, this is one of my, oh, I don't have time for this days. And then it was zebra woman. I attempted persons. I can't do persons. So I drew a person like this. Zebra woman. There. Then it was narwhal. So I don't know if you can see that, but I started drawing some narwhals and some more narwhals. And look, they're in love and they're in the water. I quite like this one. The idea is I want to see myself change. I want to see myself get better. Hopefully. Well, let's hope anyway. Next day was Nanook Bear. So I drew lots of bears. I like that one. I do like that one. And then I put up, this is the finished one, but I prefer this bear to this bear. And I think I prefer this bear to this bear. So, nah, but I like the colouring in, the pink and stuff. So I quite like this one. The next was Rock God. Quite like this one as well. This is ink. Yeah, ink. Started drawing a person again, just trying to be clever. And oh no, it's a rock, and he can move, so he'd be the god of the rocks. That's what I was going with. Do quite like this one. Next, it was Lamia. There's kind of like this cycle. She lost her baby, so she takes a baby. So that one gets upset, and it's just supposed to be, that's why I did them in a circle. It's supposed to be like a cycle of horror and destruction and awfulness. Good mood then, good mood. The next was Sedna, who apparently her fingers get chopped off by her father. There's loads of different stories, but pretty much every one, she ends up hanging on the side of a boat and her dad cuts her fingers off, which turn into whales and seals and stuff. So there we go. So yeah, quite like it. I have a go at Copics. Still not quite sure what I'm doing, but hey, I'm having a go. You've got to give me that. Next was Kiki Mauro, who lives right down the back of your oven, apparently. I quite like this one. I think this is cute. I did a video on this one. So she looks kind of sad. I still think I need to do more detail around the eyes, I think. I kind of draw the eyes and then forget about them. What does that say about me? Next is Hirika, who I wrote down the description, and then I just doodled. They're just doodled. There's a little tummy. There's a dog. I don't know why, but there is. So there's that one. That was day 10. Day 11 was Ghoul, and I did this. Okay, we'll flick over quickly. The next one was about death, and I was not in the mood. So I drew a load of faces. I admit I didn't draw that particular one, but I still drew. And that was me practicing skin, a Kirsty Partridge video on drawing different skin with pencils. So that's balls of skin, which is lovely now I look at it. The next was, again, the tree of death. I didn't want to draw it, so I drew a branch and a little tree. So that's what you got for that. Next was Katakan. I have no idea, but there's a little fella. Quite like that little fella. Then it was Hippocampus, which are horsey mermaids, basically. Mer horses. They're them. Next that was just a sketch. It was Fruit Princess having a go at trying to use some stronger Copics, and quite like her face. Can't do faces, but I feel like I'm getting better at it. That's a dog walking off, so he doesn't seem to think so. Then was, what we do, day 18, Warrior Butterfly. Well, I mean, he looks angry and he has a sword and he's a butterfly. So, yeah, I did that. Then was Pigeon Man. So he's not quite a creature, he's just a bloke feeding pigeons, but I thought it was cute. Oh, before that, no, that was large forest dragon. So I do quite like that. It was a quick one again, because, you know, basically the days I'm working, I've got loads of paperwork and stuff. I'm a therapist, by the way. Oh dear, let's hope nobody I know ever finds these channels. I do the quick ones, so you can generally tell, you know, when I had time and when I didn't. Pigeon Man, I like him. I tried to do an interesting, you know, side-ish turned view. Don't know if it worked, but the pigeon's happy, so we have that. Then I missed a page, so that happened. Then it was Tron. I don't know. Seems to be a flying head. I did that. Next was Moon Woman. These were supposed to be her hips. I'm just saying. Now I look at it, it looks quite like boobs, but it was supposed to be hips. But I do like it. This is a Posca, so I like her. She looks happy, but she does look like cheese, more like a moon, because this was with a scrawler box, so I used the colours in the scrawler box. So moons aren't quite this yellow, but she's a cheesy moon woman with red shoes because red was in it. Moving on, next was the Geiger creature, and have you seen what he's drawn? They're intense. So I just drew Alien in ink, so I hope that counts. Ignore that, was faffing about. Ignore them, they're just no. Next was Flower Turtle. I like him. Started sort of getting into pencils, and he looks really happy with his flowers, so I'm happy with that, I think. Next was Chrysalis Queen. So the idea is she's a person and she's got these chrysalises and she's watching for them, like she, you know, is the queen of all these chrysalises. That was the idea. I accidentally smudged her eye, and that's really annoying, but I quite like this. This is more colourful than the picture of the chrysalis I found. It was mainly white with little marks on, but I quite like that, so I'm getting more into blending colour pencil, so there's that. Next was, I can't remember the name. Haiku. There we go. And I got two. I got this character that was a ninja and wanted to be a really good ninja, but stuff happened and turned into metal and grew all these arms. So we got him, and a Studio Ghibli dragon. So I thought I'd draw both of them, and the dragons let him pet him. And look, he's happy. He wants to be good. And he's all like, oh, the dragon likes me, so I must be okay. And the little toes touching. I like the way I did the trousers. I don't know if I meant to do it that way, but I like how it's come out, the material. So we had that. Then day 27 is Ancient Parrot. I think they got a bit confused with this on the website, because they were sort of releasing some as they went. I think this was the one they got released on, because the other one was going to be very similar and then they changed it. But I drew an Ancient Parrot. Look, he's got a little walking stick and glasses. There's that. Then you got tardigrades, which are really cute, weird little ditsy little things. And I drew some that they do have big, huge mouths and jaws. But other than that, look, they're obviously not this colour. I think they're cute. Look at his little cheeks. He's got little red bottom cheeks. I'm easily pleased. Day 29 was Mutant Flying Dinosaur. Again, I did not have much time, so I sketched this. It's generally like 11 o'clock at night. I suddenly think, oh, I'm supposed to do something. Quick, grab the sketchbook. So, yeah. I did draw something else. This is my flying mutant dinosaur. It's like a T-Rex and a chicken and big wings. That happened. That's there. Next was Ankylogia. I don't know. I can't remember, but I seem to have done a dinosaur in a flower. So that happened that week. And then I can't remember what it was. I guess it was a character that came up under that name and I just sketched it. So I did that. Next was Fawn in Love. Felikian. I don't know. I've written these things down. I don't know how you're supposed to say them. I should have prepared better. It's a fawn in love. And look, it's a saucy devil, isn't he? Just there, a grin on his face. He knows what he's wanting. But anyway, that's it. Welcome to my channel. If you're still here, please feel free to subscribe. It would be awesome of you. But anyway, that is what I did. Which one did I like the best? I like him. He's quite sweet. I like them. I do like him. Seem to be enjoying pencil. So there's some I'm okay with and some I'm thinking, yeah, you didn't really try it. I'll leave you on him because I like his cheeks. But anyway, thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Stay. If you'd like to like and subscribe, that would be awesome. Next time I'll actually do some drawing. We're on for birdery now. So it's a load of birds. There's a couple I'm quite proud of. And a couple I'm thinking, oh, you really shouldn't have bothered. But anyway, thank you very much. I'll see you next time for whatever it is I get up to. Bye.